Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. This is another day, December 2nd, 2022. And what we are doing here today is to analyze the market, okay? To analyze the market of Aud NZD. And we are on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, why 15 minutes time frame? Because we always like to capture the fast moves, okay? Because we are day trader, we want to capture the fast moves. So this is Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666, analyzing AUD NZD. So if you're watching this video in the future, this is not the date of that time, and this is not the analysis of that time. This is analysis of December 2nd, 2022. So by the time you're watching in the future, maybe 2023, this is a past analysis. Now, this topic is going to be titled the best analysis. Okay, the best analysis is what I'm going to call it. The best analysis. That is what I do on my channel. Analyze the Forex market, introduce you to indicators and tools that is going to help you and help your own Forex to the next level. And then introduce you to broker that I've been using, and which they are always a good broker. They are not shady ones. Now, without wasting time, let us go into the analysis. Okay. Yeah. This is the AUD NZD in front of me. Okay. We have seen a kind of top around this place. Okay. We have seen another top around this place. And we have seen the longest leg went down. Okay. Now, this long leg has gone down, breaking all the lows around here. Definitely there must definitely be a kind of retest, okay, that this price is going to come back to retest. Oh, sorry if you see the camera shaking, please. Sorry, it's only me on the screen. Nobody carry my camera for me. I'm the only one, so maybe my hand is touching it. Okay, this thing broke the season low, all the lows around here. I call them the season low broken. Now, what is going to happen is that this price now is going to find its own way going to the upper side to go and do what? Okay, maybe I think to go and retest. It has to go and retest. Okay, it has to come and retest these lows that it has broken. Okay, there must be a retest. This low, I call it neckline. So definitely this price of AUD NZD on the 15-minute time frame is coming back to retest the neckline right here, which I think is 1.07564. 1.07564. This is the neckline. The price is coming back to retest it. Now, sorry. Let's make a color for this moving zone. Let's make it a white color. Our moving zone is going to be a white color. As you can see, I put the white color on the screen. That is the moves that we are expecting the price to make. Now, if I say the price is going to move and going to retest, okay, but as you can see, the price made a very strong rally down. Okay, in this kind of case, there may still be a little bit of continuation to the downside, just a little bit, okay, because this price have been overstretched. It has broken the season low and it has rallied down, which has been overstretched. Okay, now maybe oversold if we talk about stochastics, but I'm not going to talk about stochastics. I understand it's been oversold, overstretched. Now it must fold up. If I have to go by Bollinger Band, it must fold up. Okay, and this red line I put is that if in case it's going back up, this red line is going to be my stop loss. My stop loss is going to be 1.06719. Now, why I do this my stop loss? This is where the price turn around. As at now that I'm talking, this is where the price turn around. 1.06719. Okay, this is where the price turn around. So that is where I'm going to make my stop loss. Okay, and I have my take profit level here, which is 1.07564. Okay, and then what about my entry? This is where the problem lies. Okay, if I take a look at it now that I cannot jump in, I cannot even jump in right now because it's going to be a kind of temptation. Okay, so what is going to happen is that this is where I'm going to apply my tools, my own tools, that is going to tell me when it is a buy, that I will then buy it, put my stop loss on this red line here, and put my take profit on this green line right here, which means I have already planned my trade. So when I apply my tool that is going to give me a buy entry signal at that point, then I will enter the trade, and that means I am trading my plan. This is where the words in Forex that says plan your trade and trade your plans comes in. People must say, okay, we don't know what is going to happen in Forex, but I said, look, come on, if you are good in your analysis, definitely you will know what you will know what the Forex market is going to do, because something about Forex is you plan ahead. So definitely there is no way you can plan ahead if you don't know what your chart is telling you. Okay, if you don't know what your chart is telling you, you will never know how to plan ahead. You know, a lot of people, what they do is they do the wrong planning, plan to the wrong direction. Okay, because they don't know what the chart is going to do. But if you know what the chart is going to do, if you know the message the chart is passing to you right in front of you, then you'll be able to plan ahead and what you're going to be waiting for. In my case now, I wait for my entry. So what is the tool that is going to help me to tell me that, okay, it is time to get into this trade? You see, under the description of my videos, I do put a kind of tools in there. 1000 pips climber system. 1000 pips climber system. That 1000 pip climber system is going to show you and call your attention when the time comes to enter this trade. Just apply it on your chart, and you know, it's going to give you a mobile notification to your phone and tell you this trade is ready to buy, and it will give you the take profit, that is exit, and it will give you your stop loss. How cool is that? I still have the 1000 pips climber signal, which is the community of the 1000 pips climber traders. 1000 pips climber signal, you know, because if you get that, you don't need to depend on me anymore to analyze the market for you. Every analysis you need will be done by those people, and they will post it to your chart, and you will see it right in front of you. It's all depend on you now to accept the trade or reject the trade. It is a kind of semi copy trade, but the point is all analysis has been done for you. If you like what I said, check the link under this description of this video, and you know, just close your eyes and get what is going to make your own Forex a better one. I talk about Forex Trendy also. All the links under the description of this video. Forex Trendy, I talk about it properly. All my videos mostly cover the Forex Trendy. You know what that does. That one is going to show you the trend of the market, or the market within just a dashboard. You can see and you can make your own decision. You understand? Now, for now, this is me on AUD NZD, and this is the way I see it playing, you know. So any video that I do which is all about analysis, you know, they are not always long, but still I advise you that you should always try to also learn how to plan your trade ahead, and always know how to wait. Never you jump into a trade because you want to trade. You have to plan it ahead and wait, and get the tools that is going to tell you it is time to enter. Get in. There was a pair I analyzed yesterday, and the market really, it went to our direction, and I told you my exit is always 8 hours from my entry. 8 hours. When it was 8 hours, man, I was in profit, but not that too much, you know, but I cut it off because it's 8 hours. My plan is my plan, you know. And when the market was about to reverse to the other side, which is going to go give me a big, huge profit, you know, what happens? My signal called my attention at night. My signal called my attention. I got in so quick. Within 4 hours, I hit the big moves. So now, what am I saying? This leg here is the longest move ever this pair has made to the downside. And now, what is going to happen? It is now going to make another long leg to the upside to retest this move. So what you are going to be doing now is that you are now expecting that you will hit a very huge profit on these moves. You will hit a huge profit on these moves, okay? But the point is, right now, don't jump in. Get your tools and let your tools tell you when to enter a buy based on this analysis that you see on the screen. So this is me done. This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, signing off. Thank you.